Welcome to the carbonTRACK CT100i installation guide. This short video will show you the steps to be followed when installing the CT100i hardware. Please ensure that you turn off the power at the breaker before commencing work in the distribution board. First, let's have a look inside the CT100i kit and identify its components. The CT100i unit itself is a computer with an integrated modem to which a number of peripherals will be connected during the installation process. Below the CT100i unit is the voltage sensor. This is a transformer that tells the CT100i unit what the mains voltage is so that power can be calculated accurately. Next is the power supply. It has an output of up to 3 amps at 12 volts DC. It is what supplies the power to the CT100i unit. The last component inside the kit is the mains power connector assembly. The mains live wire is connected to the 10 amp breaker. Neutral and earth are connected to the terminal blocks. Inside your CT100i kit, you'll also find some loose items. 2 current clamps, 2 circuit breaker labels, 1 user manual, 1 screw pack. The first step in the installation is to find a suitable mounting location within 2 meters of the electrical distribution board. The unit must be installed upright or on its side with the CT unit in the top right corner position. Do not install any other way. Use a 25mm hole saw to cut cable access hole in one of the enclosure walls. Fit a 25mm corrugated conduit adapter if necessary. If installing outdoors, do not drill in top-facing wall to avoid water getting in. At this point, please ensure that power is turned off before you continue. Install 1 current clamp on the mains wire between the meter and the mains breaker. Install another CT on the live wire output wire of the inverter. Next, remove the CT100i service cover. Run both current clamp cables into the CT100i enclosure. Plug the mains clamp connector into port number 6 of the CT100i. Plug the solar clamp connector into port number 7. To power the CT100i, run 240 volts from a suitable breaker in the distribution board to the circuit breaker inside the enclosure. Connect neutral and terminate earth. Next, stick a carbonTRACK label on the circuit breaker from where you got 240 volts. Next, plug the power supply connector into port number 1 of the CT100i. Switch on circuit breaker. The green light on the unit should come on solid and the red light should blink a few times and then go off. Check that the current clamps are connected properly to the CT unit. Now you will commission the unit online.